Hi guys, welcome to my channel Michalis FPV. We are in the beautiful island of Samos and today we're gonna make a flight test review for the Chimera 7 with the DJI 04 Pro, as you see, to look how is the performance together with this legend of the 7-inch drones, the iFLIGHT Chimera 7, together with the beautiful new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. So just to tell you that it's not the first flight that I had. In my first flight I get very disappointment because I find a lot of Jello in my video, and I changed some settings, and now is the first time that I will test it to see if we're gonna have any Jello. So let's see how it will be the performance together with this beautiful drone, the Chimera 7, and with the DJI 04 Pro. The difference that has with the Cine 7, it's that this drone is more light, about if I remember well, 50 grams light, the weight, and let's see how it will be the performance in the fly. So let's start. Okay, now it's on. Let's wait for to get some satellites. Unfortunately, it's getting dark, and we have the sunset. The time it's about 19:59, 8 o'clock in the evening. But I hope we're gonna have a good light for the flight test. Okay, I changed the settings because I have a ND filter. It's 32 ND. So we have 6 satellites, and I'm going to take my position for to start the flight. Let's hope that we don't have any problems, and I have to start because, as I see, it's start to overheating. So let's go. Okay, I have 400 ISO. I see that I have some noise, so probably will not be so good. The quality, and unfortunately it was not possible to come more early because today here in Greece, in the island of Samos, we have about 41 degrees. 41 degrees, can you believe it? Very, very warm, no wind. This is good. And probably we have, you know, the noise because I have set the ND32, so it's very dark. And I hope that the video, it will not be so bad, the video quality. Some here I have my Insta 360. Okay, the first time, as I said, when I fly this drone, I was really disappointed. it was really very bad, the Jello that I had, and I didn't know what it was wrong. But I make some settings, and now I see that we don't have, I changed some settings, and I see now that I don't have anymore this Jello. The good thing is that today we don't have wind. It's really very beautiful. So like this we can see how is the performance of this drone. I was waiting for a long time to have this combination, the Chimera 7 with the DJI 04 Pro, the new camera, because I know first that it's lighter from the Cine 7. The Cine 7, actually I don't say it correct, the Cine LR7, long range. So yeah, I wanted to see the difference that they have. I know that I know very well Chimera 7 because I fly it now for 2 years, and really I love how it's the performance of this FPV drone. Here you can see also the Asian walls of Samos, and here you can see the Pythagorio village. It's a very beautiful touristic village, and if you want to visit the island, I suggest you to come to Pythagorio. So now, till now, the video transmission is 50 with 40 megabps, and the receiver, the transmission of the Crossfire, it's also very good. We are almost 1 kilometer far away. We see a beautiful sunset here in the beautiful island of Samos. Already we fly 4 minutes, more from 4 minutes. 3.67 volts per cell, totally 22.1 cells. Very, very dark right now. It's flying really beautiful, very smoothly, very stable, and till now I love it. I don't see any Jello. I'm very happy about that. So maybe I will do a video for to tell you what I changed and I fix the Jello. Let's make one roll. Beautiful. Let's make one power S. Beautiful. Really I love it. It flies so nice. We have almost 6 minutes of fly. This is me. It flies really very nice, really very nice. So I think it's easy. I have to bring back the drone. It's getting more dark, and I see that also the battery start to consume a lot. So, my first impression till now, it's really very positive. It flies really nice. I see that we have almost 7 minutes of fly. the Chimera never disappoint us. I don't see a lot of difference with Cine LR7. Probably the difference will be on the weight, because it's more heavy and Chimera is lighter. So we're gonna have like this less, we're gonna have more actually flight time. So it's timing for landing. This is the most difficult part for me always, and we're approaching. Come on, come on.
Disarmed.
Very bad landing. Anyway. Okay, so till now everything was fine. Really, I love it, guys. And the next test that we're gonna do, it will be the GPS rescue. So totally we had 7 minutes about flight time, 85 kilometers per hour, the maximum that I had. We had around 12 with 13 satellites, and the battery that is remaining was 3.65 per cell, the volts, and 22 totally. Okay, that's it, the video. Please, if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video soon. Bye bye, my friends. Bye.